Namaskar. Today I'm going to share with you few of our videos which are faulty, why and how. Not only that, but also what care one should take while referring them. So keep watching. The first video is this one, Namaskriya video. Yes, the video which we have 2 million plus views and it's still going so well. So many of you have watched that and complained, and the complaining still going on is the background music is really high that we cannot hear you. So yes, let me explain like how did that happen in first place. So when we recorded it, I did it on my own. I edited it on my own. Of course, I sent it to one of my bestest friends and best editor to review it. She did recommend it that I should take that down and the volume should be a little bit less. But then I thought that it's not going to be a big deal, and our students are going to watch it. And bam, 4 years after, we have like 2 million views on that particular video, and it's still going well, and people are complaining that we cannot hear you. But unfortunately, we cannot take it down or change the audio or video. Or if some of you know the solution that how can we do that, please let me know in the comment box below. I'll be very happy to know that. But according to my team, that we cannot do it about it much. What you can do is while watching it, you can wear the AirPods or the buds, how I am wearing, or you can place a Bluetooth speaker, connect it and watch it, or make the notes what I'm explaining and then try to do it on your own while referring the video. Second video, Tattado. Now this particular video, you will think that what's wrong in that? It's completely fine. Yes, it is completely fine, but when you will refer the practice video of Tattado, you will definitely get confused, and so many of you have already. So let me explain what exactly happened. The series of Tattado 4 and Tattado 5th got shuffled. So it was completely human error. So when we practiced, what we practice is like number 1, number 2, number 3, like that. And while teaching, the 5th got 4th and 4th went on the 5th place. So how can we fix this? Let me tell you. Just follow the practice video how as it is. The series is just for you to remember the Adavu. It's okay, does not make any difference. How you do it, that is important, and not on which number or what series you are following. On number 3, this particular video. Yes, Tattado practice video. Now let me just explain you while keeping the tal and how it is completely faulty. Let's see. So as you can see, the rhythm is not in sync. So it's getting faster in between or slower in between. So basically this problem must be when we actually uploaded it on the YouTube or when we rendered it. So we have no clue to find it out, but yes, that's the fault we have in this particular video. So what you can do is you can refer to our Tal series to understand how the exactly Tal goes. Also, you can check the description box over there. I'm giving you a link where you can actually refer the audios as well as the videos for your training and practices. The next one is this one, Natadu first and second. Yes, many of you have already complained about it, and so many of people have wrote us that we cannot find Natadu first and second. Let me tell you why. Because one of our team members accidentally deleted that particular video. So you can see, you have to actually scroll up and see. After I think Visharu Advu, you will see that particular video re-uploaded. Also, when we were just starting out, we used to upload the video and delete it, from our data. We didn't save it. So we reshot it on the same location with the same clothes and same text and re-uploaded it. So let me give you a small tip. So if you cannot find one particular video in the series, watch that first video which you are already watching. So for example, if you are watching Tattadu 6th and 7th, you watch that until the end. You will get the link of the next group of Adavu or next step at the end of it. So we have arranged that particular thing especially for you to make your learning easy. So please watch until the end. Next video is the Ginatom and Visharu Adavu practice session. Oh my god, this was our first ever live, and we were not aware of few technical aspects of how to go live. So we were experimenting at that particular time, and it's not very clear because it was blurring out in between, reconnecting in between. So that's how it's faulty, but we learned our lesson, and you can see our later lives were much better than this particular one. So here is what I am thinking to do about this, that I'm going to upload Ginatom and Visharu, rather all the practice videos back to back, and let me know if you will be interested in re-watching in a very polished way, which will help you to practice daily. So let me know in the comment box below. Now the last one is this series of videos. Although we have named it quarantine series, still people come and complain about, I can't hear you, I can't see you, we cannot, the picture is not clear. We all were in pandemic. I did not have any technical support then. So still I wanted to be connected and, give you lessons which will help you to survive the pandemic and practice. That's why I kept making the videos on my little phone and a tripod because I did not have, as I said, I did not have any technical support then, because I traveled to my hometown just before the lockdown started. So with 2 sets of clothes, 1 phone and 1 tripod. So with that, I have made those particular videos. So if you cannot really hear that, please use the earphones or speakers. That's what we can do at best. We cannot change the audio now, we cannot re-upload it, so that's a technical problem which we have. So what you can do is use the equipment which will enhance the audio. So these were the videos which were faulty, but it was not deliberate, or we tried to fix it but we could not. So I really hope that this will help you to learn better, as well as if you are interested in learning our online course, apply by clicking the link in the description box below. And I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.